By the way, Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla, also the CEO of SpaceX, may become the interim CEO of Twitter if he actually buys it. Tesla is the worst performer so far in the pre-market on the S&P 500.
Go ahead.
The reason Musk reportedly calling for an immediate hiring freeze and a 10% reduction in staff. Now, that message came in an email to Tesla executives, apparently seen by Reuters. So, again, that's not our reporting. It did quote Musk as saying that he has a super bad feeling about the economy. Of course, that reference to super bad, interesting today.
That's Seth Rogen.
It is, yes, and it is McLovin. The license, June 3rd, was his birthday.
Let's just go. Let's just go right here. What did he say earlier this week?
He said, come back to work or you're fired.
Right. So maybe 10% of the people are going to be fired.
That's a good point.
That's what this is.
That's a good point.
Oh, come on. That's what this is.
Right.
But I am fatigued by him. I'm tired of him. It's time for him to just put up or shut up. He doesn't have to tweet every 30 seconds.
Well, he can do whatever he wants.
He loves it, though. He and Adam Aaron, there's these people who just live by it.
No offense to Adam Aaron. He's no Elon Musk.
Yeah,
all right.
No, and the stock went to 15 and then down to 12.
Yeah, I mean, Elon Musk is, as I always say, the most consequential businessman on the planet.
He's Michelangelo and Jensen Huang.
By the way, you want him to keep tweeting because it always gives us something to talk about.
But when you're not talking about Meta.
Jimmy has a super bad feeling about the economy.
Is it super bad with a capital B?
I don't know.
No, it was S-U-P-E-R-B. But look, David, so does RH. So does Gary Friedman, another super bad guy. So does Jamie Hurricane Diamond, right?
All right. Add those all together. That's not making people feel particularly good.
But maybe it's Mo Larry Curly. Maybe it's
Diamond.
I'm just saying that you
can play the Dylan song for him.
You can talk down the economy, and Jay must love this stuff.
It actually works in his favor.
It works. Look, when Hurricane Diamond said his thing, suddenly the stock market goes down. Tesla, he'll drive the stock market down. How about Katie Huberty shading numbers down Apple? That's important.
What were the reasons?
Oh, my God, App Store. App Store numbers are bad.
Really?
Yeah, the only place that's good is America. See, China impacts App Store. But that Apple note is what's driving this market down today.
Apple, as you can see, may open down
a
more
very
than 2%.
Negative note.
I'm looking here at your morning call list and obviously seeing the reasons in terms of App Store monetization decline year over year. First time in 2 years.
2 years. This is going to drive the market down. Now, there's a worldwide developer conference next week, but this is going to be, I'm glad you did it today and not the worldwide. Mm-hmm. Because, frankly, Apple is the weak link in FAANG right now.
You believe that?
Yes. Because this was a big node. And they sell into China, just like Micron does. David, do you hear that the lockdown's not really over? That's another story that's been going around.
Well, listen, I mean, the best I can do is listen to what Eunice Yoon is reporting because she's there on the ground. And my understanding is the lockdown has ended, but there's a lot of hoops to still jump through, so to speak, in order to actually be able to fully participate in society.
Micron's China.
Yes.
Apple's China. NVIDIA is China. I said last night that maybe they asterisk it and just say, okay, look, obviously there's a shutdown. But Apple cannot handle a decel in the App Store. It just can't.
It can't as a stock.
As a stock. Oh, as a company, it's great.
Of course it can.
No, but people have to sell. Like, remember yesterday, Microsoft, when you came out with a story, people took the stock down 9, and then it ended up 2. You have to do that. We have to go through this. It's cathartic. It's right up Jay's alley.
To make the point, Katie Huberty's an analyst that you follow quite closely.
Well, why not? She's the best.
You call her the axe. That's an old term.
I tried to call her. She hasn't returned my call. I tried to call her.
Particular analyst in a particular stock. And she, as you said, sees downside risks to the quarter and revenue growth decelerating.
Remember, Apple's still a big stock.
It's still the biggest.
Microsoft.
I think Saudi Aramco
Tesla.
is larger.
So what do you have to do? I mean, think about it. Tesla, Microsoft, but Microsoft was currency. Apple. Mm-hmm. Someone had a positive note about Netflix, but Netflix isn't a big company. And then Meta, I don't know, Cheryl's kind of rocking the world there.
Yeah, a little bit.
I find it all just gossip, frankly.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.